Imagine this. It's the middle of the night. You're standing on a ship in the open ocean. The water below you is completely black. And then something massive moves beneath the surface. Not a shark, not a whale. Something so large that even its eyes are bigger than a basketball. For centuries, sailors said this creature was real. Scientists said it was just a myth. But the ocean doesn't care what humans believe. This is the true story of the giant squid. For hundreds of years, sailors from different parts of the world described a giant creature living deep below the ocean. They said it had long arms, incredible strength, and could appear out of nowhere. These stories were written off as fear-driven imagination. Science demanded proof, and for a very long time, there was none. The giant squid became one of the greatest mysteries in marine history, a creature caught between legend and reality. The giant squid, scientifically known as architeuths, is one of the largest invertebrates ever discovered. A fully grown individual can reach lengths of 40 to 45 feet and weigh more than 1,000 pounds. It has 8 powerful arms and 2 extremely long feeding tentacles designed to strike prey from a distance. These tentacles are lined with suction cups that contain sharp, tooth-like hooks, making escape nearly impossible once something is grabbed.
One of the most terrifying features of the giant squid is its eyes. They are the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, each roughly the size of a basketball. These massive eyes exist for one reason: survival in total darkness. The giant squid lives thousands of meters below the ocean surface, where sunlight never reaches. Its eyes are not just built to see light, but to detect movement in the dark, allowing it to sense predators or prey long before they get close. The giant squid does not live near coastlines or shallow waters. It inhabits the deep ocean, a place of freezing temperatures, crushing pressure, and endless darkness. This extreme environment is the main reason humans avoided direct contact with it for so long. Almost every giant squid ever discovered was found dead or dying near the surface, leaving scientists without any proof of how it behaved while alive. Long before modern science, Viking sailors spoke of a creature called the Kraken. They described a massive sea monster capable of wrapping its arms around ships and pulling them into the deep. For years, these stories were dismissed as myths, but then scientists noticed something strange. Sperm whales were being found with large circular scars on their bodies, scars that could only be made by enormous suction cups. Slowly, the idea that the Kraken might be based on something real began to make sense. The greatest enemy of the giant squid is the sperm whale. These whales are known to dive deep into the ocean specifically to hunt giant squids. In the pitch-black depths, brutal battles take place between these two giants. When sperm whales return to the surface, their skin is often marked with fresh scars from squid tentacles. These scars are living proof that massive, violent encounters happen far below the surface, completely unseen by humans. For centuries, the giant squid remained scientifically unconfirmed. Then, in 2004, Japanese researchers finally captured the first images of a live giant squid using deep-sea cameras. The footage showed the squid attacking prey with its long tentacles. In 2012, scientists achieved something even more remarkable. For the first time in history, a giant squid was filmed alive, swimming freely in its natural environment. A creature once dismissed as fantasy was officially proven real. Many people believe the giant squid is rare, but the truth is more unsettling. Giant squids are not rare, they are hidden. Humans have explored less than 5% of the ocean. That means 95% of Earth's largest ecosystem remains completely unknown. If a creature this massive could stay hidden for so long, it raises an unsettling question. What else could be living down there? A common question people ask is whether giant squids are dangerous to humans. There is no confirmed case of a giant squid killing a human. Humans are not part of its natural diet. However, if a diver were to enter its territory and be mistaken for a threat, the situation could quickly become deadly. Fortunately, encounters are extremely rare because humans rarely go where giant squids live. The giant squid teaches us an important lesson. Humans believe we understand the planet we live on, but the truth is that the largest part of Earth remains unexplored. What was once dismissed as myth is now scientific fact, and what we consider myth today may become tomorrow's discovery. The ocean still holds secrets beyond our imagination. The next time you look at the ocean, don't just see water. Remember that beneath the surface lies a world of darkness, pressure, and silent giants. The giant squid is not just an animal, it is proof that nature is always one step ahead of us. And maybe, right now, deep below the waves, something is watching us back.